Hi, my name is Caitlin with Next Level SEO OKC. I spoke with Carol this morning on sending you guys this quick video with some tips and tricks on how to get some more clients for your from your website. So we'll kind of go through a few things today. We'll go through citations, backlinks, and content, sorry. And then we will also go through how ranking on Google can help you guys organically get you some more traffic. So the first thing I want to go through is content. So when I talk about content, I'm talking about all of this right here. So just paragraphs and words of your guys' company, information of your company, your locations, and your services. So really, Google wants you guys to have anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on your first page, on your homepage alone. All these other pages, the About Us, services, all of those, you should have anywhere from 500 to 750 words. Now, your guys' layout is beautiful. I love how you guys have it laid out with the color breaks and the pictures, and so all of that's really good. But you guys only have right over 250 words on your front page. And like I said, you want near 1,500 words, if not 1,500. So that will really help you guys rank with Google if you just get some more content on there. This next system I'm using is called Ahrefs. It's Ahrefs, and you guys can get this for yourself. And it just gives you a bird's eye view of what's going on behind the scenes of your website. So right here is DR, or domain rating. It's really the power that your guys' website has as far as what it shows on the internet. So 0.9 is extremely low. The higher this number, the better. So the way you get this number higher is a few things. One main thing is backlinks. So backlinks are just simply links on different domains, so referring domains, which would be blog posts, articles, things of that matter. So someone would be reading through there about, getting their teeth fixed or getting veneers or whitening, anything like that. And your guys' website, a word will have your guys' website linked to it. They click it and it comes back to your page. They call and make an appointment with you. And so that's what a backlink is. And you guys have them on 13 different websites. Another big thing is your keywords. Excuse me. So keywords are what people are searching for on Google. And you want to get a high volume right here of people searching per month with a low KD, or what we call keyword difficulty. So anywhere from 1 to 5 is ideal. The lower the number, the better it is, because that means not a whole lot of companies and businesses are targeting those words. So Holbrook Dental, that's obviously your guys' name. And so you really want to get some that are not your guys' name or dentists. You just want the area or the service. So you guys have a lot there now, a lot of volume on just your name. Now, one big thing is going to be your traffic. So from 300 people searching Holbrook Dental, you guys are getting 93 people because you're position 1 on Google. Now, on Google, you want to be anywhere from 1 to 5 position, and that's kind of prime real estate on Google's page. Really, it holds 10 businesses, so if you're in that first page, that's a good start. But like I said, anywhere from 1 to 5 is great. So you guys are position 1. That's why you're getting 93 customers here. And then let's see here. Looks like you guys have that area 60 customer search, but you guys are getting 18 of those 60 because you're position 1. So all of that's really good. And I'll show you on your competitors page some keywords we can target that have larger volume and really low KD, and you really can take some customers from that traffic. Now, one thing I'll step into before I go into your competition is just Google itself. So I researched, the big keywords in your area, and dentist in Brockton, MA. 400 people search for that exactly, and it only has a keyword difficulty of 4. And so a lot of people are searching, but not a lot of businesses are competing for that specific word phrase. So right here, I'm sure you guys have seen this if you're looking for restaurants in your area, movie theaters, places like that. you'll see what we call a Google Map Pack, or GMB Google My Business. Now, the way you get a Google My Business is you create a Google account, you enter your business in on your Google account, they will mail you a postcard. That postcard has a code on there, you'll enter that in your account, and now you're registered, or your business is registered with Google. Now, once you do that, you can do the next part that we'll talk about, which is citations. And all of that will bump you straight to this top 3, and you really want to get in that top 3. That is, like I said, prime real estate with Google. The next part is organic ranking, and this is where I grabbed your guys' competition. And this has to do with content, pictures, and backlinks. That's how you get to this top. Ideally, you want to be one here, and you guys might get, 350 customers from 450 searching, which is quite a lot. So on their page, they wouldn't be hard to beat with their content. Your page layout, I think, is much better. We would want something kind of like this. But your page layouts looks a lot nicer to the eye. And they only have about 560 words on their front page, so not a lot, not hard to beat as far as content. Now, when we go into that tool, Ahrefs here, they're 1.1 domain rating, which is not high at all. Backlinks, they only have 12 from 8 different websites. Now, those have a little bit more power. That's why they're shooting at the top of Google. But again, easy to beat with a few other things there. Now, their organic keywords, they really did not focus on their name within their content. They focused on just the area through here. So Dentist in Brockton, MA has 150. KD7, they're getting 37 people because they're position 1. If you look at their position, they're 1 and 2 within all of these top ones. So they're getting 150 people from 450. That's quite a bit. And these are a little bit higher than, I would prefer to go after, but with some hard work, you guys can go after those keywords and really, really get some customers, get some of these 150, 126 towards your website. Last thing I want to go over is what I called citations. So citations essentially is just the white pages for the internet. So you register your Google My Business, and then you take your name, address, and phone number, what we call the NAP, and you enter these in all these different websites to create citations. Now, some citations don't have any power, don't have any way of getting you any customers, but a lot of citations or websites do. So A1 Dental, or who I consider your competitions, they only have 11 citations. You guys have 23. So ideally, within the course of 3-4 months, you guys want 350 to 500 citations. And that's something you guys can work on monthly, weekly. That's something I do for my clients, is I make sure that if you're with me for 6 months, you have 350 citations. Like, no questions. So I know that's a lot to kind of go over. This video is a little longer. But if you guys have any questions, anything I can help answer further for you, please give me a call at 405-627-2693. Or my email is caitlin@nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you guys. Bye-bye.